Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make your iPhone passcode 4 digits instead of 6 in iOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To make the passcode 4 digits, open the settings app first and then scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode from the list. You'll now need to enter your current passcode. After this, tap on where it says Change Passcode, which is a blue option. Now enter your current passcode again. On the next screen, tap on the blue option called Passcode Options and then choose 4-digit numeric code. You then need to enter the 4-digit code that you want and then confirm it again. This should now have changed your passcode and you can try it out. And so that is how to make your iPhone passcode 4 digits instead of 6 in iOS. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.